So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the problem right view of a binary tree. So what we have to find is, we have to find the right view of a given binary tree. So given binary tree, find the right view of it. Right view of a binary tree is the set of nodes visible when the tree is viewed from the right side. So this is a given tree and the right view of it will be 1378. So let's understand the problem first and let's see what a right view is. So for example, we have this given tree 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and now what we have to do is, if we are looking from the right side, then in that case we should print all the nodes which are visible only from the right side. Okay, so 1, you can see 3 7 8, or you can say the rightmost element of all the levels we have to print. So 1 3 7 8 will be the answer for this. Similarly, if we check this tree, then in that case the output will be 10 30 and 60, because 10 30 and 60 are the rightmost elements of each level. So this is our output in this case. So how we are going to solve this? So if you have already seen the previous video which we have done, like which was of level order traversal, you might have got the idea like how to solve this, because here the logic is very simple. We have already done similar kind of question in right view of a tree. We just have to do, what we have to do is, we have to do level order traversal. Okay, so while doing level order traversal line by line, what we get is, let me explain you in detail. So suppose we have this tree 10 20 30 and then we have 40 and 60. Okay, so 40 and 60. So this is our tree. Now we have to find the right view of it. So what we are going to do first is, we are going to do level order traversal line by line. So initially when we are traversing this level, we have the node 10 in our queue. Then when we are traveling the next, or traversing the next level, we have nodes 20 and 30 in the queue, and when we are traversing the last level, we have 40 and 60 in the queue. So what we have to do is, for each level we have to output the last most node. Okay, we have to output this. So our output will be 10 30 and 60. So I hope you might have got the logic now. It is very simple. We just have to write the code exactly similar for the level order traversal line by line, and we just have to do one output statement which will simply print the last node of each level. So let's see the code now. So okay, so this is the function that we have, vector right view node root is our parameter. So what we have done is, we have created vector int v because we have to return our answer in the vector. So if this is the base case, if root equals to null, we simply will return our vector. And then we have created a queue because we are going to do level order traversal. We are going to push the root node of the tree into the queue. If you are not aware about how to do level order traversal, please check the video. I have already created a video for level order traversal. So this while condition is for, we have to traverse or loop this while condition until and unless our queue becomes empty. So first of all, what we are going to do, so we have to do here level order traversal line by line. That is why what we are doing is, for each level we are taking a count of nodes in the particular level. So that is why we have taken a count variable and we are counting the number of elements in the queue. So queue.size will give that, and then we have created a current node, and what we are doing is, we are running a loop while count minus minus, which means that this loop will run and the number of times the elements are there in the queue. Okay, so initially our current equals to queue.front, so the current value will have the front of the queue, and what we will do is, we will simply pop it and insert its left and right children into the queue. Okay, this is the simple procedure of level order traversal. So what we are doing here is, suppose we have 2 and 3 in our queue right now. So what we are going to do is, we are taking 2 into a current variable and we are popping 2 from the queue, and simply we are entering the left and right children of 2 into the queue. Okay, so whenever we have traversed both the nodes of a particular level, suppose we have traversed 2 and then we have traversed 3, so at that point of time our entire level is traversed. So while we come out of this while condition, which is while count minus minus, we have the current variable as the last element into the particular level. So we have, suppose for this level we have 3 into our current variable. So what we will do is, whenever we come out of this loop, we will simply push our current data into the vector. So in this way, whenever we are traversing a particular level, we have the last element or the last node of a particular level into our current variable, and what we will do is we will simply push that variable into our vector. So in this way we will get all the elements, all the right most element of each level, which is our right view of a binary tree. So let's try and see compiling this code. So the problem is solved successfully. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts in this problem, please write it down in the comment section. I will clear it to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.